Hi guys, good day from wherever you're watching me from. On today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you a good professional makeup. Let's get started. Firstly, I'll be carving my modest brow. I first brush it out, then I use a razor blade to carve it out. So once I carve it out finish, I use a wipes to clean her face to get all the hair that I cut out off her face. Then I used a micellar water to clean her face moisturizer to set her face in properly. I'll be adding a face primer, setting her face. I set in with a setting spray, and I'll be using these two matching foundation of a matching color. I'll be matching the two together, then I use a foundation brush to blend the two together. I'll be spraying my beauty blender with a setting spray as well. Then I'll be using it to dab the foundation. Using this lipstick palette to contour her face, concealer to conceal her underneath eye. Then I'll be using the beauty blender again to blend it in and make sure the face absorbs the concealer properly. I'll be concealing her nose with a darker shade of a matching color. Then I'll blend it in properly again. Using a setting powder underneath her hair wax gel to brush out her eyebrow. Then I'll be using a setting powder on it again. Nail liner to draw a straight line on the eyebrow line. I'm carving from the down part of the brows. I'll be using a brow pencil to fill in the brows. Once I fill it in, I'll be using a lighter shade of concealer to conceal the brows. Then I'll be using a foundation of a matching color to do the upper part of our brows, so that when you blend, you will be able to blend in properly and it will match the foundation we set in earlier. I'll use the matching foundations to blend the underneath brows. Then I'll be using a eyeshadow palette, natural eyeshadow palette for our eyeshadow area. I'm using a natural eyeshadow palette. After then, I use a setting powder underneath our eyes to highlight all the highlighted area. Then I use a eyeshadow primer to prime our eyeshadow area. Then I use a black eyeshadow to highlight our eyeshadow area. Then I blend it with a natural eyeshadow. I added glitter glue. Then I added black glitter. I use a natural eyeshadow again to blend it again. Then I use a powder brush to blend the highlighted area together. Then I took my powder palette, then I blend the face, all the highlighted area. I proceed to underneath her eyelid. I use eyeliner. So I use the eyeliner on her eyeshadow area. Then I use powder palette again to blend it. I'll be using a contour palette on her cheekbone. Then I'll be using the powder palette again to blend it so that it will match the face, so it won't be well too shoddy. I use a highlighting palette on her contoured area and her nose too. Then I proceed to her lipstick area. I use a pink and red lipstick. Then I proceed to a natural one on it, and I told her to I added natural lipstick. Then after then I proceed to add in lip gloss. I use a concealer brush to highlight the to clean where the lipstick are not necessary. Then I added glue to the lashes that I'll be using. I let it dry for like 5 minutes. Then I glued the lashes to the eyelashes. I use a powder palette again to blend all together. Then I use a eyeliner on it again. Please kindly give this tutorial a follow up. Then I use a setting spray on it, and I used a fix spray as well. Then I let it dry, and here is our finished look. I hope it is giving. Give it a thumbs up if you like this tutorial. There are more to share. Follow, like, and comment. Thank you. Bye. I will see you in the next tutorial.